Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for the Confessions of a Paper Addict cut file where I am going to use this cut file for my layout. So what I decided to do is off camera I cut and backed my cut file. So the cut file is called Spooktacular and I backed it with orange glitter paper because this is a companion paper to one I did last year. I didn't finish out my Halloween stuff and I only have one more layout to go and then I'm caught up on like Halloween until this year happens. And the companion page, what I did there was that I did more of a glitter paged paper, and then for this orange glitter was my whole thing and then backed the cut file on top, where here this time I'm doing more papers and less of the glitter. So it's a companion page. And this is of Frankenstein that I had while we were over in Germany. This was still part of Frankenstein's castle that we finished out when we did Halloween over there one year. And I'm just literally taking photos of, or we took two photos of Frankenstein. One is where it's of my son, and my son has Frankenstein's hand on top of his head, and that's the face. And then the other one is of my daughter on top of Josh's shoulders, and she didn't care. She just was looking at Frankenstein like, who's this? I'm as tall as him. Who cares? And so yeah, that worked out perfect. I absolutely love the two photos because I don't think this age, and really Kaylin doesn't get scared of much. Frankenstein is pretty much, or like Halloween is like her second favorite. I do have to say that Christmas is her, I would say her favorite. And then Frankenstein, or like Halloween, is like her second one for holiday-wise based. So pretty much now I'm just getting to do quite a bit of back and forthness on just embellishing and all of that kind of stuff. So I do place a lot of these down. I show you kind of where I want to place everything. And I did do a lot of fussy cutting. Like this came out of a piece of paper. The stuff that I'm using is from American Crafts. It was, or actually it was Pink Paisley's set that was done 2 or 3 years ago. And I love the vintage look of this one. I love the eerie feeling of it. And it's just a lot of what I like for Halloween. These are moths that I cut out. I fussy cut those out. I fussy cut out almost everything of my embellishments. Here I do come in with the black. And these are enamel dots are from Close to My Heart. And I wanted to get I didn't want to use the paper. I wanted a little bit more dimension on this ghost. And so I did the enamel dots and then I glued them. I do have to say that my middle is cut out and I did put all of the pieces back. But one of my middle, nope, it's in there on the glitter paper is where the bat stays. And I love that I kind of did it this way because I like that I took the black piece of my cut file that I cut out first and put back into that one bat and made the glitter around it and then left the other bat just glitter. I just love how that turned out. I think it works perfect for what I'm doing and how this turns, how this comes to life. Now, while you see me go through all of the papers and kind of figuring out what else I want to do for this particular thing, make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file Etsy shop. Everything will be linked down below. I just love hers. She is also running a design team call for her next set of design teams. I should be able to be on it. I'm thinking I'm on it. Back on it, but you will find out at the end of the month. The November set of ladies will be rolling into the next, so you may or may not see me, but at any rate, you will see me definitely be using her cut files on a daily basis, weekly basis, whatever, however you want to put it, because I absolutely love her cut files, and I would never, I follow 3 people, and those are the cut files I use, and you guys know who they are. Obviously, the still shots are definitely coming up. I am coming in with my splattering, and I did glue a lot of this off camera because there was a lot of fussy cutting that I did do and whatnot. And obviously, you guys know how to glue things down. I didn't change anything up. It was just a little easier to get that glue down and in there. But essentially, I did glue everything down. I'm coming in with that. And you know that the still shots are at the end. Make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file. Come over to the group. We are going to have something fun because we are super duper close to 2,000 subscribers, if not already over when this goes up. So make sure that you go check out that and get the freebies that she does. And the still shots are here. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!